Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to open a GCash account while you're in Saudi Arabia. This is perfect if you want to manage your money or send funds to the Philippines easily. Let's get started. First, install the GCash app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your computer using an emulator or on your phone if you have access. Once installed, open the app and tap Register to begin the sign-up process. Next, enter a valid Philippine mobile number. GCash only accepts Philippine numbers, so if you don't have one, you can purchase a roaming SIM from the Philippines before starting. After entering your number, tap Next and wait for the 6-digit verification code. Type the code exactly as received to verify your mobile number. Now, fill in your personal details, including your full name, birth date, and email address, and create a secure 4-digit MPIN. This MPIN will be used to log in, so keep it private. Once your account is created, the next step is to verify your identity, KYC. Tap Verify Now on the homepage, upload a valid Philippine ID, and follow the on-screen instructions to submit your selfie. After your ID is approved, your GCash account will be fully activated and ready to use in Saudi Arabia for payments, transfers, and more. And that's it. Opening a GCash account from abroad is simple when you follow these steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.